Listen to me, Pewdiepie. This is your last chance. Are you going to confess?
How's it going, bros? My name is...
Alright, take this then.
What the hell are you doing? Ah!
Let me separate the head completely.
Leave me alone!
Just like that. Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, would you look at that? All this time, he's been full of melons. All this time. What a betrayer. Alright. Take this. And this. Wait, I'm not done yet. I'm not done. Take this and this. Yeah. Yeah. Just like that.
No!
You deserve it.
Oh!
Oh, damn. Did he moan? Yeah. Take this. I will rip you apart, Pewdiepie. For your lies, let me separate your hand.
What the hell are you doing?
Yeah, just like that.
Ah!
Yeah, I'm separating your hand. That's what I'm doing.
Leave me alone!
I'm not leaving you. Let me do it for the second one.
Ah!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah, just like that. It's painful, right? It's painful, right? I know. Look at this bouncy hand. So good. So good. Look at all of these melons. He's been hiding all this time. I'm not done yet. Come to me. Come to Papa. Let me rip your nipples first. Yeah, like that, and then your back.
No! Oh!
Oh, he's moaning again. Oh, boy. That must be painful. Let's go back to the hand and rip it in half.
What the hell are you doing? Ah!
I'm just ripping your hand in half.
Leave me alone!
That's what I'm doing. Let's do more of that. I like it. He seems to be in pain.
You can't hurt me in my hole. You can't hurt me in my hole. You can't hurt me.
Let's try that. Let me put my hand in here. Yeah, in your hole.
What the hell are you doing? Ah!
You said I can't hurt you from your hole.
Leave me alone.
So I'm trying to do that. It seems to be painful, huh? Shame on you, Pewdiepie. Shame on you. Let me fill you up with some G Fuel. How about that? Yeah. Some anti-gravity G Fuel. I bet it's tasty. Let me pull that gravity down. There you go. Tasty, right? Look at that. Look at that bubble of G Fuel. Yeah. Let's grab it and play with it a little bit, right? Looks yummy, isn't it? Let's squash it. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. You can use this button to fill him up with liquid instead and restart. So now he's filled with G Fuel instead of the melons. So let's get this cricket bat and try it on his head now.
How's it going, bros? My name is Pewdiepie. What the hell are you doing?
Yeah, tell me about it. Tell me what's your name.
Leave me alone. Ah!
That's what I thought. Let's try the baseball bat. How about that? Do you like it? Oh, that's weird. Don't do that.
How's it going, bros? This is Pewdiepie.
Bonk.
What the hell are you doing? Ah! Leave me alone.
I'm just opening your head. That's what I'm doing. Take this and that and this and that.
No!
Yeah. You like it, don't you? Let's grab the bow this time. And see how tough PewDiePie is.
How's it going, bros? My name is
Ah.
Oh!
See, he's a soft simp. What a betrayer. What a betrayer. Yeah. Take this. Feel the pain. Feel the pain, PewDiePie. That's what you get. Shame on you. Hey, look at that. That's my desk, yeah. That's my channel. And click subscribe. Just like
How's it
like
going,
that.
bros?
Yeah.
My name is
And that's my jiggly keyboard. And let's drink some
How's it going, bros?
coffee.
My name is Pewdiepie.
There is nothing in there. Now let's use the chair to smash him. Oh, he disappeared again. Alright, let's do that again. Let's use the chair and smash everything in him. Yeah. I bet that's quite painful. Like this. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he disappeared again. Let's go, let's go. You can also see that I placed a tambourine that you can shake and hit. Which we will hit PewDiePie with, obviously.
How's it going, bros? It's PewDiePie.
Shaky, shaky. Get away from me. Leave the tambourine, PewDiePie. Come on. Alright, let's put it there. And shake it, shake it.
No!
I thought he likes tambourines. What's wrong, PewDiePie? Ooh, look at that. Alright, let's play with the gravity of PewDiePie.
How's it going,
Go
bros?
up.
My name is PewDiePie.
Go down. And go up. And then go down.
How's it going, bros? It's Pew!
Let's make him a bit stretchy. He's now flexible. He's so soft right now. See? See this? That's PewDiePie that we've been watching for years. Let's make him a bit more stiff. Restart that. And look at that, he's still standing. Let me give you some punches. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I thought. Show me your face. I want to wear it. Oh, he disappeared. Let's restart. You can download a free version of this game right now. Links are in the description. The controls are fairly simple. You can use the forward and backward of the joystick to increase and decrease the ball size that can grab stuff, and you can use the trigger to grab. PewDiePie, if you are watching. Nothing personal, man. I love you. I love your content. It's just for fun. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.